Alright, this is part 2 of the unboxing of the RC or SR10M Team Associated. Alright, I did the first 6 bags and now we'll go through the second 6 bags real quick. Get this out the way, start putting it together. So bag 7's 3 steps. Looks like it's transmission parts. Yeah, it's going to be transmission, differential, or whatever you want to call it. Slipper clutch probably going to be in here. Nice little thing of oil. Alright, so it comes with oil. Yeah, slipper clutch. Nothing special really. No pinion, gears, or any of that yet. I was kind of wondering if they'd have the pinions, but I don't think they do. But there's some parts. Alright, it's bag 7. There's some steps. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so now for bag 8. Probably gonna be more wearing or transmission parts. Yeah, it's the housing and all that. Still no pinions or pinion gears or none of that. There might be one in there. Looks like kind of similar, but I don't think it's going to be one. Probably going to have to buy pinions and ring gears. Looks like that's going to be pretty, probably the longest bag yet. Got gearbox, all that put together. It came with all the oils. I'm going to do a little bit of research before I do it to see exactly what would be the best for everything. Yeah, bag 8's already got, what, 5 steps. Alright, now bag 9 is going to be your axles. Looks like. Wishbone axles or whatever, dog bone axles. Got grease and all that in with it. So that's pretty much complete rear end, it looks like to me. 10 is going to be the tie rods and all that. Steering turnbuckles. There's your turnbuckles. They're not really too thin, but they're not too thick either, so they'll probably be good for what he's looking for, I'm sure. Look like they're going to be race ready. Alright, bag 11. Bag 11 will be shocks. That looks like quite a bit of work for shocks. They're pretty easy actually. Are aluminum. parts. However, it does come with shock fluid, springs. So the shocks look pretty decent. And then there's the steps. Step 2, 3, 4, and there's 5 steps. Alright, and bag 12 is last bag, and it's just going to be the gearbox casing. It's got aluminum steering arm, it looks like. Could be wrong though, but no, it looks like steering arm to me. Just kind of last little stuff to button up the car. And here's your steps. Step 1. Yeah, it's got aluminum steering arm in with it. And there's your motor mounts, which I'm really trying to talk them into putting a VXL in it. I know a lot of people are going to laugh at that, but it's a good setup for what he's looking for, and I know they could win wet races very easily, and they're low maintenance, good warranty, and low cost, and easy to use. So that's really what I'm kind of hoping it goes with on setup, just something, you know, easy all around. But here's some more step 12, and it looks like battery mounts, all that. And then it just talks about the tires, which I'm gonna kind of look up really if I should try taping them or what really would be the best outcome for them. Well, you know, if it was kind of being a flat track or whatever, I think he's going to want to have his tires taped so they don't balloon out. So I'm probably going to go ahead and just do it. All those books just kind of running through parts and everything. And that's about it. The body that he is going with is a 78 Camaro kit. Basic concept 70. I'm just probably gonna black it out if I end up doing the body for it. I'm not sure. He was talking about getting it dipped. I don't know. I think you really gotta use hobby paints on it too, and I'm not sure about that. So I might end up doing the body, which I probably will. He just really wants to just race it. That's why I think the VXL is probably about the perfect setup for him. Just durability and all that. And got some West Coast Chopper stickers on it. Z28 window. Okay. flat black if I do it. Do maybe a little bit of something in it. We got 2 different sets of back tires. Didn't get front tires yet, but went with the JC Concept wheel 2.2 rear brake. Yeah, it's very just got like 6 of them. But these ones are kind of a little bit not shiny, I guess. And got rebar tires. These ones kind of look a little fatter than the other ones, but the other ones got the spikes, and I always like the spiky ones. And then got these ones. They're not near as fat, but they got the spikes and the whole shots. Line. So, well, got a couple sets you'll be able to try out with it. Alright, I guess I'll probably wrap this up. I'm gonna post it right away and start doing the kit, within the next day, and I'll post videos every day till it's completed. Alright, thanks for viewing.